The modern periodic table is arranged based on the atomic numbers of elements.
The vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups, and the horizontal rows are called periods. There are 8 groups and 7 periods.
Elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons, while elements in the same period have the same number of electron shells.
Group 1 elements are also known as alkali metals. They're the most reactive metals. An example is sodium.
The group 2 elements are known as the alkaline earth metals. They are also very reactive.
The group 7 elements are the halogens. They're the salt formers. An example is chlorine. They're very reactive nonmetals. The group 0 or 18 elements are known as the noble gases. They're inert or unreactive. An example is helium gas.
The transition metals lie between group 2 and 13 or 3a. They have partially filled d or f orbitals. Examples are iron and copper.
Atomic properties which show periodicity include atomic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, and electronegativity.